This week I took a trip up to Pennsylvania to visit some family and friends. Along the way I took some shots of some older buildings and eventually found this landscape photo that I thought would be a great opportunity for editing today.
Hey, I'm excited about photography and I hope you are too. So let's learn together.
The first thing I noticed about this photo is the camera vignetting that comes with the wide-angled shot at this exposure length. And the second thing I noticed is the color is not the way I envisioned it or I saw it in life. The sky was much bluer. There was more to see within the shadows of the ground. So we're going to edit this today, going into our lens correction as we always do. Do a little correction there. Get our baseline. That brings it out a little bit better. It's nice. We're also going to want to crop this. Oh, didn't mean to do auto, but that actually worked out. I was going to tilt this a little bit, but that works out really well. Perfect. I want to do original. Bring it down to 16 by 19. Now, there's a house and some PVC garage looking thing over here. I think it was probably a greenhouse. I'm going to try and bring that in to get rid of at least that much of it. I'm not sure if I want to keep the bush there. This tree tends to bookend this, so I want to bring that in and get rid of it. About there. I'm losing a lot of the sky. There's a rock down here. I want to get rid of that. I really want to get the rest of that cloud in. I think that's good. Try to put this on the third there. So if I put the building on the third, maybe that window, maybe the base. I'm not sure. I'm losing some of the cloud. I'm losing some of the. I want foreground. I want sky. In a 16 by 9. Is that the best I'm going to be able to do? I think that's pretty good. Not chopping that bush off. Getting some of that house there though. Alright, let's get some of this blue sky back if we can. Yeah, that's better. That looks more like it did. Let's get the white balance. I know this was supposed to be white. There we go. Looks a little better. House over here I want to get rid of. So to do that, we're going to bring it into Photoshop, but before that I want to do a little dehazing, just a little bit. Clarity as well. If we blew it out, ooh, actually that looks pretty good. Looks a little too much though, right? Yeah, too much. Blowing everything out. Say right about there. The dehazing is going to be too much. If I bring that down, it looks funny. The other way, it's adding it. It's a very humid day, so I'm thinking I want to bring some of that back in. The warmer tones. If I go too far though, I think it's going to wash it out, right? What about there is good. It was a warm day. Now, let's see about getting rid of that house back there. So edit in Photoshop. I might be able to do the spot remover, but I think it's going to be better to do it here. Control Alt Shift? Plus sign? No. Control plus sign. It's been a while. Space bar, get my hand up. There we go. The log cabin. I didn't even bring that darkness out. Let's add this little section here. Yeah, that'll work. Delete, content aware. Boop. Yeah, it fills in that darkness back there. But doesn't look quite right. Something's not right there. So we're gonna grab some of this maybe. Paint that in a little. Let's grab some of that. That looks better. Back out, control minus. Yeah, you can't really see. It was off in the corner anyway. But all in all, that looks pretty good. So we'll do a control S, bring it back into Lightroom. The house should be gone. Boop, it's gone. All of our settings are reset. Let's see what it does if we auto correct it one more time. Doesn't change the tints or anything. Kind of like that. Maybe a little preset here. Let's do some light vignetting on that. And there you go. That's how I would edit this photo.
Okay, that's it for this video, and thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, smash that like button. I post a weekly video, so be sure not to miss next week's video by hitting that subscribe button and that notification bell. Feel free to leave a comment below, and we'll see you next week.